there. Is your smartphone sounds too low or muffled? While it might seems like a frustrating issue, the fix is easier than you think. In just a few simple steps, I will show you how to clean your speakers and restore that crisp, clear audio that you are missing. As you can see, the main microphone and speaker are dirty. To clean these, we will need the following tools: cotton buds, a microscope or a magnifying glass, isopropyl alcohol, one medium and small sized brush. First, let's clean the earpiece speaker properly. Use cotton buds to apply and remove the alcohol around it until it's properly clean. Dark mode and even choose larger icons. Enable stunning dark mode and even choose larger icons without app names. Had you noticed how the sound has started to improve? Now focus on the main speaker and microphone. They are covered in greenish dirt, which we will proceed to remove. iOS 18 brings exciting home screen customization. It gives iPhone users more control over home screen icon layouts and even choose larger icons without app names. After cleaning, you should notice a much clearer and better volume sound. Finally, don't forget to clean the edges of the phone. I hope this video helps you to achieve back your clear audio, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe. This actually, it will help me to keep continuing and create more useful content for you guys. Till next time, see you later. Bye bye.